Math. Okay, math time. So we're going to take everything we've learned in these last 9 lessons and put them together so that we can add fractions. If we're adding these fractions right here or subtracting, it's the same thing. We need to make sure that the denominators are the same. And as you can see here, they are not. So we have to make them the same. So how do we make them the same? Common multiples. So I'm going to list on a separate piece of paper right here all the multiples of 2, 3, 4, and 12. I'm going to go all the way up to their 10. So I'm going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I'm going to stop right there. Then I'm going to go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. I'm going to stop right there. 4, 8, 12. I'm seeing 12 pop up a lot here. Yeah, I see 12 right there. Oh, the last one is 12. So I'm going to stop right there. My common denominator is 12. So I need to have all the bottoms to have 12 on them. Okay? So now I can take this piece of paper and put it away. Or I can still keep it because it's going to help me a bit. It's going to help me a bit. Okay, so what do I multiply 2 by to get to 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 times 6. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So my answer is going to be a 6 right there. The next one, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I multiply the bottom by 4. Multiply the bottom, I multiply the top by the same. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 over 12. Now I do my 4s. 1, 2, 3. 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, and 3 times 3 is 9. And then 5, 12 stays the same because we're at the 12. So this is easy. Okay, good. Now I just add them up. Keep the bottom the same. 12. All right. And 6 plus 8 is... What's 6 plus 8? 14. 14 plus 5
is 19.
19. 19 plus 9?
28.
28. Oh, you're quick. Okay, good. So 28 over 12. But we're not done yet. We have an improper fraction. So let's turn this improper fraction into a mixed number. So 12 into 28. How many times does 12 go into 28, Max?
Twice.
Twice. And what's 12 times 2?
24.
24. And I subtract, and I get a remainder of 4. So that means my big number is going to be a 2, 4 at the top, and 12 underneath. So this is equal to 12 and 2 and 4 twelfths. And we're not done yet. We can simplify it. So I take this number, and now I'm going to try to find the greatest common factor. So I got the factors of 4, 1, 4, 2, and 2, right? And then my factors of 12 are 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, and 4. Now, I'm looking for the greatest common factor. Greatest common factor. And the greatest one here is 4. So if I divide the top and the bottom by 4, I'll get my new answer is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 3. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So our answer is 2 and 1/3. If I add up all of these, I end up with 2 and 1/3. So just everything we've learned in the last 2 weeks. Trying to find least common multiples or denominators. We have greatest common factors. We are simplifying. We are adding. And that's it. So I've already posted on the classroom these 4 questions that you can try. And show me what you do. Okay? All right. And I think that might be it for fractions for a bit. We're going to move on to something else. Yay! All right. Talk to you soon.